In front of me is POCO C71 and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called LauncherOS from Launcher Studio Developer. When your app is ready, you don't have to open it, but you need to go into Devices Settings. Then select Apps, hit Default Apps, and tap on Home App. Now hit Launcher Pro to apply it, wait for the pop-up, and for your launcher to work, hit Allow All. Then wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my launcher was successfully applied. If you want to make some changes to it, just go into Launcher app and adjust it. If you want to go back to your default launcher, go into Devices Settings again and click on Go Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!